Nonprofits in Las Vegas and getting involved with your community. As a realtor and a veteran, I wanted to do more. All of us are out there making money and doing all of that great stuff, but if we're not giving back, like what is it all for in reality? Years ago, I saw a lot of my girlfriends that created things with their hands, like candles and jewelry and things like that. Many of them would go to farmers markets and they would have to pay for space. They would have to pay $350, $450, $550 for space. And when you're selling candles for $15 a pop, that's a lot of product that you actually have to sell before making any kind of profit. So I said, come do that in my home. And I coined it Falisha's Fall Vendor Blender. Now, what did that turn into? Over 9 years of doing Falisha's Fall Vendor Blender, that turned into me going, you know what? Let's start a nonprofit. So I did. I started Women Moving Mountains here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, what does that start doing? Now people that want to get involved in their community have a button they can push. They can do well for themselves, but maybe they don't have the time to establish a nonprofit, and they can go, I really love what Felicia's doing. I can push that button. I can donate to that cause. So this year we had put out in the universe that we were going to grant 2 large grants to female entrepreneurs, one for $1,000 and one for $500. Actually, we did an entrepreneur grant and then we did a self-help grant, which was for anything. If you wanted to take a class or do anything to better yourself, that was the self-improvement grant. Well, instead of $1,500, you guys, we were able to grant $3,500. $3,500. And that all started from just a little idea, hosting a vendor event at my house, creating a nonprofit, and allowing people to have a push button to go to if they wanted to give back to their community. So if you ever want to give back to something like that, where you are encouraging women in entrepreneurship, we've got scholarship season just around the corner. We're going to be giving out scholarships to some local high school women that have big dreams and big aspirations. If this is something you align with, then we're going to go ahead and put that link in the comments section. But remember, no matter what you're doing in life, I'm your homegirl. I'm your homegirl in Las Vegas, Nevada as a realtor. But no matter what it is, find something bigger, guys. We only have this one shot at life. Take advantage, do good, give back. It all becomes very cyclical. Just be a good human. So, who's your homegirl in Las Vegas, Nevada? I'm your homegirl, but in this case, I'm just a girl out there trying to make an impact. Love you guys. Bye, Falisha.